Welcome to ATS. Pledging shares means using the stock you already own as collateral to get extra margin for trading without selling them. Here's how you can do it on ATS in just few steps. First, go to the ATS website, click on the top right menu lines. From the menu, select Axon. Once inside, head to the portfolio options, tap on the holdings, then click on pledge for margin. Now choose the stock you want to pledge. Select the quantity and hit continue. You will land on the pledge confirmation screen. Just click agree, then confirm and submit. You will then be redirected to the margin pledge transaction verification page. Review your transaction details, click on the stock, enter the OTP, send to your registered mobile number. That's it. Your shares are now successfully pledged for margin, quick, easy and secure with ATS.